and welcome to the Saitama Stadium. The teams then, Liverpool against Juventus. I'm Peter Drury and this is Jim Beglin.
Hello Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a real thrill to be here.
They've got underway here pretty promptly. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
This is a tricky one, but you know, I'm going to go for Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain because he can be, I think, a key element. He's essentially a very attacking player who wants to be at the sharper end of things, but he has the maturity to play in midfield too and knock it about, a combination his manager must be very grateful for.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree. Milner has been caught there, it's a foul. Bernardeschi, pulled forward, what does he try from here? Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Belts one! That was venomous!
Juventus certainly won't want to look back and dwell on that. It was a good chance though.
Into the channel. It's a fine run and he's happy to keep going. Repelled by the keeper. Forward it goes. Now the pass. Shoots! Oh, terrific run to latch onto it, but the finish is all wrong.
Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited, and they need filling, and fast.
And that's a goal kick. Just brushed off the ball there, and it's Mane. Oxlade-Chamberlain, Mane, and a shot! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Hits one! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
One shell pass, that's the message there. Now it's Mane, he's got away, and it's been taken straight back. Big chance! And he's found the net! And Liverpool score first! Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronised with the right pass, that's what happens.
Big occasion, big goal, crucial lead. Oh, good interception. Aimed long and direct. Milner. It's being played forward. Looking to break out here. Ronaldo with the ball through. He can get that clear. It's a loose ball. And it's Mane. Goes wide. What an adventurous run from a defender. Great leap! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. Out for a throw. Fabinho. Now he's wondering who wants it. Tries a through ball, shapes the shoots, and he's there to make a great save.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Towering header! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough.
Yeah, but the two that closed them down merit the praise of a job well done.
He's one-on-one! Cristiano Ronaldo. And that has been clubbed away. Looks to slip it through. Henderson plays it forward. with a delicate ball. Now it's Dybala. Dybala. Good take by the keeper, he's read that well. Mane. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Chiellini goes looking. Ronaldo is flagged offside.
Yeah, Peter, they play the high line well, but it's always vulnerable to pace in behind.
Looks like a good ball through. Bernardeschi! Pjanic. No way through there. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Bernardeschi! He's done very well to get to that.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
And that's been levered clear. Ball is over the line. Mane. Well, needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. He's made sure that that won't get through. And the semi-final reaches halfway. Well, there we are, off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half, but there has only been that one goal. It is very, very tight.
Well, they showed glimpses of some wonderful football to go in with the lead at half-time, and that's definitely pleased the fans. I think they'll be looking to keep this intensity up now in the second half.
Liverpool head for the dressing room in possession of a 1-0 lead. The action has already resumed here. Is it in? It's a goal! Two to the good! They have breathing space! However they tried to stand in his way, he just was not to be denied.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they...
It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, they're being made to force the issue, but they need to be patient and a little more composed.
Now the pass. Fine defending there. Oxlade-Chamberlain. Passes it through. Aimed in, and a header! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. Bernardeschi. Van Dijk positions himself well and cuts it out. He's put a stop to that. Well, there's no sign here of forwards working back. They are staying upfield.
They are, Peter, and it gives them a chance to break, but it's also causing an extra defensive presence to prevent that.
Goalkeeper's ball. Well played, he saw that coming. Jordan Henderson. And it's Mane, played out to the wing. Mohamed Salah looking to get on the end of this. Milner. Well, this man's contribution is, as you would expect, proving terrific.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because the rest of the team knows he can make his influence count at any stage. It's simply part of his package. When he really wants to, this fella scores.
No foul, says the referee. He's done well to tidy up the situation. Fabinho brings it forward, out to the left it goes. Chance! Can he put it away? Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
That's good progress he's made on the ball. Where to next? Mohamed Salah Plays it out to the flank. Big chance here! Hits one! And he nearly went all the way.
I just hope he won't let the failure to score affect him. With the ability he has, he can reproduce.
It so nearly came off for him.
Well, Peter, I think it's fairly obvious. He's one of the biggest influences out there.
Chance to cross here. Danger averted for now. Looks like a good ball through. Done very well to intervene. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
Speculative strike. Gave it a go, but off target.
Juventus are really feeling the strain now. Impatience has taken charge.
Chance to break. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Quadrado. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo really got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
Szczesny tries lifting it over. Tries a through ball. Going through. Delivery from Dybala. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. And the referee brings it